Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Dear viewers, today I am going to unbox the instant 3-liter geyser which is coming from the company Lifelong. You know, Lifelong company is the Indian brand. I have bought the product from the Flipkart. This Lifelong company's geyser has some salient features. I will show you one by one. This side you can see the company has 2 years warranty. If you just register this product with the company before the first time use, then you will get again 6 months of warranty. So it is actually 2 years 6 month warranty you will get from this company. And it is written here precision thermostat, thermal cutout, highly efficient copper heating element, neon indicator for power on and heating, jointless stainless steel tank, and of course it is ISI certified. The item name is written here Lifelong Flash Instant Water Heater, capacity 3 liter, generic name instant water heater, color is ivory, warranty 2 years, quantity is 1 and it is written 5550, but it is the MRP price, but I have got in the deal price, that is 1600 rupees around from the Flipkart Big Billion Days. So without wasting time, I will unveil the product quickly. The really good packaging, the company has sent the product. So this is the main unit, you can see. I will show you later. Inside the box, this is the instruction manual about this product. It is written here clearly, you can read it and keep it aside. Now go to this one. You can see this 6 months extended warranty you will get when you register this product first time. So these are the how do you register with this company. It is written clearly in this paper. These are the some screws are given for fitting the product for wall mounting, and you can see nothing is left behind in the box pack. Now you can see the geyser. It is a 3-liter capacity and clearly written on the product this Lifelong. Really the product is the premium quality. You can see it is ivory color, and I will show you the back surface also. And this is the back surface, and now we'll open that. You can see it is written something: before switching on, ensure water flows out from the outlet, otherwise it will be damaged. And you can also see here these are the 2 holes with which it will be fitted on the wall. It is given for the wall mounting purpose. In the front surface you can see here this is the neon light by which you can understand it is working or not, and when it will be totally heated up to the optimum temperature, then it will be auto cut. It saves the energy. And the whole coil, it is written in the company's website, it is made up of copper. And this one is the reset button. This is the reset button, and one here it is written in red color. This is the outlet. The water inside it will come out from this outlet, and this is the inlet. Overall the quality of the product is really great. It looks premium and the size is compact and portable. And I will show you this product after installation, how it works and how it looks like. We have installed the Lifelong geyser by the wall mounting screws in this wall, and you can see these are the 2 cocks by which one is cold water is coming to this inlet, and hot water, after preparing hot water inside the Lifelong, it is emerging out from the red outlet and going to this cock. And you can see we have used here one pin, it was not given by the company, 3-pin plug, and by which the geyser is drawing power. Now you can see clearly we have switched on the power on the geyser, and there is a neon light indicating this is the orange color, means power is coming to this geyser, and there is a green light, means it is heating up. It will heat up to that temperature which has been preset in the Lifelong geyser, and after getting this temperature it will automatically turn to orange. I will show you that. You can see now it turned turned off, green light turned off, that means it has been reached the optimum temperature. And I'll show you the hot water is coming. Now see here. Hot water is coming, and when the temperature lower, automatically the neon light will be turned on. You can see here the neon light again turned on as green. That means again it will be heated up. That means one thermostat is pre-installed in the geyser, and it will obviously save your energy. Thank you for watching my video. If you think video is helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you.